Hi, my name is Marged Parry and I've written a play called Traed Bach Concrit, which translates as Little Concrete Feet. It's a play about Cardiff, and Cardiff is being destroyed in a war, and it's in the near future, I would say. The rehearsal process has been really fun so far. The set, we've been playing with the space today, which is really small, but in the good way, because it's going to add to the isolation of the piece and how the actors are going to feel seeing the city being destroyed around them. And of course, because it's a new writing project, I've had to learn to sort of chop and change things with the script as we've been going along. So it's been quite a learning curve for me to have to stand back and see whether all the words there need to be there. Usually they don't.